Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Japanese display name on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, get to the top right-hand corner and then click onto this gear icon. Now, a drop-down menu will open up. Simply, access the account settings from inside it, and you will be able to change your display name from here. In order to change it to Japanese language, open a new tab in your browser and search for Google Translate. Now, select the second language as Japanese and then type in your display name in the first column. After that, copy the Japanese version and get back to Roblox. Here, click on the edit icon beside the display name, paste the Japanese version, and then save it. So that's basically how you can get Japanese display name on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.